The bookmarking feature allows you to select your own start and end points for a video, creating a custom segment you can add to any playlist. When you play any video or audio file, the bookmarking tools will display under the player. You can set specific start and end points, creating a new clip with only the portion you specify.
Just the same as 4/4. And 4/4 plus 3/4 is 7/4. That's 7.
Before adding your bookmark to a playlist, click Preview Segment to review playback. If the video has closed captioning or a language track, be sure to review your bookmark with these features enabled to avoid clipping off the captions or narration. When you have tailored the clip to your exact specifications, click Save to Playlist. Choose the playlist you wish to add the bookmark to from the list of your playlists. Your video segment is added to your playlist, labeled as a bookmark.